Hey guys, Dan with Ninjacators here, back with another market profile session for the S&P 500 on October 13th, 2023. Okay, so yesterday, if you recall, I gave you a couple of different levels. I said that we were going to want to see a retest or at least a push through of Wednesday's low. We got that. So as the week crept up, we had an inside day on Wednesday, then we had a directionally changing outside down day on Thursday, and then price retraced a little bit back up into Thursday's range, and then continued on down low. So if you notate Wednesday's low here at 43.77, price ripped through it about 10 o'clock this morning and then retested it at noon for a nice 30-point trade to the downside. Okay, so the profile on the day was pretty thin up top, and then volume increased at the bottom as the bankers were their shares or their contracts. Let's go to the daily chart here. This was last Friday. This is Monday's rally off the weekly trend line, and then Tuesday's continuation, and then Wednesday's inside day. And you had that CPI yesterday directionally shift us back down, and then today continued on and carried on downward. Didn't quite go as far down as I thought it might if we caught that trend downward, but there's something to notate for next week. As you can see, if you recall, at the beginning of the week, we had a big gap down last Sunday night, and just note where price rejected off of today, the top of that. It went right to it, almost to the tick. So something to keep in mind for next week as to where price may want to head down to. We've got a directionally shift to the downside. We've got a gap that appears to be somewhat still open, and then we have a trend line that price is appearing to draw to. So I'll let you draw your own conclusions as to where you think we might be headed next week, but we've got some we'll call it noise in the way of that direction. So Monday we start off with 730 Empire State Manufacturing Index, red hot bullet right away at 730. Tuesday, same thing, core retail sales at 730. Wednesday we skip. Thursday we've got unemployment claims and Fed Chair Powell speaking at 11. So another jam-packed red hot week. I hope that helps. Good luck out there. Happy trading.